What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're actually in a rush right now, kind of. Look at everything though. Kona, say what's up. She's staring at herself in the mirror right now. We got the bed good to go. We got everything. This is my little area right here. Boom. But we got everything. Paintings are there showing, getting ready and getting hyped up. We're about to hit the road here about 5-10 minutes or so and start heading straight to North Carolina. So stay tuned and let's get this adventure started.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing.
Woo, you guys, good freaking morning. Day number 2 on the road trip. We're somewhere in Louisiana, but we had to stop here at the good old Cracker Barrel. So this is where we woke up to. This is actually what we woke up to today. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm ready to get some food in our systems and hit the road. We're probably gonna make it all the way to Fairmont, North Carolina tonight. That's where my grandparents live, so we're gonna be heading up there and seeing them for a few days and then heading to Wilmington. And we got a whole bunch of more stuff planned and hopefully gonna camp at an actual camp spot on our way back. And yeah, how'd you sleep, buddy? Yeah, showing him y'all Mickey'd out. He's so hungry and ready. He actually went flying out of the door this morning when I was flying the drone. He tried to, I went to go open it and he was holding on the inside. He came flying out head first. Almost smacked his head on that curb, but hey, he's a trooper. He's doing good. Tom, you ready to go eat? Let's go eat. See you guys in there.
Good job, Apple. It's hot. Can you eat it?
Roll out to North Carolina. You ready, buddy? You ready? Show them your new dinosaurs. All right, well, let's get to Fairmont, North Carolina. What's up, you guys? Good morning. We're on day number 3 right now. We're a little bit outside of Augusta, Georgia. We just woke up at this nice little rest area and we're ready to get on. We only got 3 hours and like 2 minutes left. Then we're gonna be in Fairmont, North Carolina to go see my grandparents for a few days and then head to Wilmington. So I hope you guys are enjoying our little adventure. Taking a little bit longer than expected, but hey, you can't really drive this RV that fast. But woo, man, let's go hit up Bojangles and get this 3 hours left and show you guys what a good old school tobacco Fairmont is and used to be. I actually got some pretty cool stuff down there. We'll go on a little tour in downtown Fairmont, but let's hit the road, baby.
we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real. Cause when we're doing our thing, where the wheels won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young. Oh, 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 oh.
Just pulled up to my grandma and grandpa's. Why is it so freaking dark right now? There we go. But yeah, check out this nice little drone shot of their house, the house next to it's my other grandma's house. And oh man, we'll give you all a tour later about that on the drone. But Talon is having a good time with Kona.
P.
Good old Peyton. They're all having fun. Aren't you, Kona? You ready to go back to Texas? But alright, we're gonna go eat some food, take a nice shower, have some fun, and catch you guys on our next adventure. I don't know where we're gonna be, what we're gonna do, but it's gonna be fun. See ya. Smash that subscribe button if you want to, and go watch one of those 2 videos. See ya.